Okay, so anyone that knows me or has seen my bio will know I love Android and Google Antigravity. And the Android team released their new Android CLI for AI dev tools yesterday, so I am definitely going to try it. So what's in the Android CLI? Well, you can head to developer.android.com/tools/agents, and you'll land here. And it gives you, well, it gives your AI dev tool all the info it needs for scaffolding new projects, building with Gradle, managing virtual devices, and understanding development best practices through a set of skills, and also access to the Android documentation. And you can get the install script from here. And we're going to run that in our terminal. Yeah, we're sure about that. I don't know why it does that. Downloaded the Android CLI and it's installed it to my user local bin. So now I'm going to double check we've got the latest version, Android update. Fair enough, it should be. And let's initialize it. Okay, so it's now copying the skills to the usual skill locations. The Gemini Antigravity skills directory, the Cursor skills directory. So whatever dev tool you're using is going to know how to use the new skills and the new CLI. So let's go into Antigravity. Okay, here we are in Antigravity, and I'm in the Agent Manager. I'm going to try and build an Android app just from the Agent Manager without going into the IDE. I have a prompt ready. Build an Android app that is super cute unicorn clock. Place a digital clock just over the top of the unicorn's head in bright colors. Make the background of the app into soft phasing plasma style neon colors. Use the package name com.geekyouup.uniclock because if it works, maybe I want to publish this. And off we go. Let's see. I wanted to use the Android CLI to create the package, the project outline, the structure of it. I want a really well-structured project. And most importantly, I want it to build first time when the Gradle build happens. I saw an implementation plan coming. Here we go. Implementation plan. The Uniclock application. The plan details the application. A Jetpack Compose application featuring a digital clock with an animated neon plasma background. That sounds like what I want. Create it using Android CLI to create the project structure. Refactor the generated package identifier. It's going to create it with this one and then refactor it to mine. If that works, good for you. Hopefully that doesn't cause any issues with the Gradle build. Then it's going to make the plasma background. And then it's going to use Gradle to build it. No open questions, which is interesting. So I think we're just good to go. Time for the Gradle build. This is the thing. If this works first time, I'll be pretty happy. This is where I usually fall apart with AI-assisted Android app building. But that looked pretty good. That looked pretty good. He's tried to run it without installing it. Okay. Installing. Executing. There's an Android app. There's a unicorn clock with phasing colored backgrounds. Maybe slightly nicer if the image had a transparent background. But that's probably something I can deal with quite quickly. There we go. Android CLI Antigravity. Built my Android unicorn clock to be found in the Play Store soon.